Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be opening this box from Bombay and Cedar. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to receive this box to open and maybe give them a review on what I think about the box. Now, we all know there's a ton of subscription boxes out there. I'm gonna open this, and I wanted to do it with you guys so that we can get a look at this, because I've never heard of them. I've never researched to see anybody else open one of their boxes. I did check out their website when they asked me, and I saw some of their items, and I thought they were really nice, which is why I agreed to have them send me this box so we can see, is this worthy of us, you know, paying for a monthly subscription. Now, I don't normally say bad things about subscription boxes or companies, for the simple fact that what I may not like, somebody else might like. So if this is not a box for me, then I'm sure one of you may like what's in this box, and it might be a box for you guys. So I'm not reviewing this to give it like, oh, I wouldn't buy that, I wouldn't want. No, I'm just gonna open it. We're gonna see what comes in this box, and if you guys like it, then I will link their information down below. That way you can go check them out for yourselves, and yeah, go from there. So without further ado, let me get this open and we'll see what's in here. Okay, so when I first open it, I see this really pretty background right there, and it says hello. I think that's cute. It says relax, heal, and cleanse. So that's kind of cool. Now this is their now I do apologize, they sent it to me probably about 4 days ago, so we were still in February. We are in March now. This was their February box. So what I see is this little pamphlet that says February and indulge. It says featured brands. Oh, okay, it shows me what's in this box. I'm gonna try to skim past that, and I believe it showed the prices and everything. So it's just a little pamphlet of some information. I'll let you guys know what the prices are as we go. So then it has this cute little paper that I have to tear open, and I see a bunch of little, you know, paper and everything. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out is this little box, and from what I see, it says modern Moscow Mule cup. So it's copper plated. I definitely like that so far. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture last night of where I was at and what I was doing, and yeah, so hint hint, if you're not following me, you should be. So this is the cup. I really like this. It has the little squared off handle like that. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. I like that. And it says Viski, V-I-S-K-I on the bottom. And it's just a cup that you would use to put your Moscow mules in. And so far, I think this is cool. I'll go through the prices at the end because I don't want to, you know, sneak and see what else is in the box. The next item that I pulled out is, let's see. Oh, that's so cool. A microfiber hair towel. It says Cleanse Ritual by Kitsch, K-I-T-S-C-H, Kitsch. So it's a hair towel, super absorbent. Oh, it's like a turban. It's a turban. I love turbans. I use those every time I wash my hair. I have different ones. I'm gonna open this. So I'm taking this out because these to me are a must-have when I'm washing my hair. Oh, I love the print on that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that pattern is so pretty. I'll wear this like a hat. Wash my hair and put it on. It does say the company name right there. So it says Kitsch. And it comes with this really pretty rose gold little button that the turban straps onto. I'm looking for the little, oh, there it is. So there's a little elastic. So basically, hopefully you guys know how to put one of these on. You just put it on after you wash your hair, wrap the side around, and then connect the thing up here on the button, and it just dries your hair while you're walking around doing whatever else you need to do in the house. I love this. I actually love this. So that came in there with the cup, and like I said, I'll tell you guys the prices in a minute. Next, I see this Minute Mixology single serve cocktail mixer. Is made with real fruit. This is Moscow Mule. How cool is that? So it says lime plus ginger beer. You get 8 packets, which makes 8 drinks. Add 1 packet of Minute Mixology, 1.5 ounce of vodka, and some soda water. Mixed together until contents have dissolved, and top with ice, and enjoy. So it's showing you how to use the make the Moscow Mule in your cup. So far this little box is getting a major thumbs up. I actually like it. And let's see what else they sent. Here is, okay, I can't pronounce this, Marrakesh Calm. Marrakesh Calm. It's argan and hemp oil therapy soothing treatment. Okay. And this looks like this. I like that bottle. I like how it's brown. Oh, that's really pretty. And it's 2 fluid ounces. It says, get hair stick straight or create flexible curls. Oh, okay, it's for the hair. Smoothing treatment. Okay, it says dispense 3 to 4 drops and apply evenly to clean towel dried hair. Blow dry with a flat brush to achieve a stick straight style. Interesting. Never heard of this. Not something that I think I'm going to keep for myself, but I do like this. If this is something that you would use smoothing treatment, then this would be perfect. I do love this bottle. It is a glass bottle. I really like that, and it seems really nice. So yeah, I'll put this to the side until we see how much that retails for. This is a big box. It got a lot of stuff in here. So the next thing is some beauty drops. It has bergamot and neroli in it, and it's 1 fluid ounce. Looks like this. And it says, our beauty drops facial oil hydrates, brightens, and firms, leaving you with a brighter and balanced skin tone. Okay, so let me see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Canelli. Look at that. That's what that looks like. Very, very interesting with bergamot. I love the smell of bergamot. Really, really nice. And so, yeah, it says cruelty free and vegan free. So that's also very nice. Okay, so what is this? It has a date on it. Bombay and Cedar. Let's see. It's a little satchel. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's see. Looks like some oils. Lavender, 100% pure essential oil, and bergamot. Lavender. Now I know lavender, is that another? It looks like that. It says lavender. And then this one is bergamot. And let me see. Add a few drops to an aroma diffuser. Oh, okay. That's perfect. I just got an aroma diffuser recently. And so I will definitely be using these and those. I can't wait to use the bergamot to see what those smell like. And I think I see 2 or 3 more items in here. Okay, so here you have a traditional drinking chocolate, organic, ethically traded nib more traditional drinking chocolate. Never heard of this. More is good. Simply open packet and add powder to 1 cup of milk, but be sure not to boil. Mixed with coconut milk. It's especially rich. So that's what this looks like. Never ever heard of this or seen it. I'm wondering if it's just like a form of hot cocoa. I'm not too sure, but I will definitely be giving that a try out. I'll be giving that a try. And then I see this beautiful necklace. Oh goodness. Oh, that is so pretty. So it has like this little bar right here that would fit. It's like a shorter and then a longer necklace. So the bar is up higher. And then at the bottom you have that right there. And it has like the little tassels at the bottom. So this is beautiful. So it'll fit like that. Hopefully I can wear this. I will give it a try. just because it is so pretty. The only thing is that I break out, like if I wear fake gold or anything that's not real around my neck, especially my shoulders and everything will start to get itchy and I break out. So I will try to wear this just because it is really pretty, but at the first sign of pain it will come off and you won't see it anymore. that's the bad side. I have to wear real gold. And then the last thing in here is Eat, Drink, and Be Gorgeous. It's actually a book that is really, really nice. A nutritionist guide to living well while living it up. So while you living your best life, you eat, drink, and be gorgeous. So basically, and that is in here, and it says back here it retailed for $22.95. So this is in here. Now let me go through and tell you the prices of everything. So the 2 essential oils that came in here, it says the lavender, it retails for $16, and then the bergamot essential oil retailed for $19. This interesting little chocolate drink retails for $1.50. This beautiful necklace retails for $19. The hair treatment retailed for $21. I already told you what the book retailed for. It was $22.95. The beautiful head wrap or turban retailed for $23. This super cute copper mug, the Moscow Mule mug, retails for $29.99. The Moscow Mule packets retail for $6.99. And last but not least, these facial drops retail for $39. I am going to definitely give it a thumbs up. I like it. I actually like it. I love subscription boxes because, like I always say in other videos, you never know what you're gonna get, and it's kind of like giving yourself a monthly gift. Like, you know how, you know, we work a lot, we go through our day, we're tired, we may have our kids, we have our family, and we worry about everybody else. We always put everybody first. And to me, when you get a subscription box, it's kind of a way for you to kind of pamper yourself. It's like you getting a present. You never know when it's going to come up to the door, but when it comes, you can sit down and relax and open it and try out these new items to kind of give yourself a break, even if it's for a couple hours. That's how I see subscription box companies. So I'm not, like I said, I don't bash any company because what I might not like, you might like. I actually like this box. So, like I said, I had never really heard of them. So shout out to Bombay and Cedar for reaching out to me. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. I absolutely love the box. And like I said, I will put a link down below for their company just in case you are interested in learning more about their box and going from there. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you real soon in another video. Bye.